My name is Jana Eschelbach, and I'm Head of Division for Delegate Services. Listening to the new needs of the project was essential, and then making sure to think through all new processes to make sure that everything is being considered so that in the end we can nonetheless uphold a clean database and also meet the expectations that were set at the beginning. Communication was a very large challenge. We needed to be sure to communicate to the delegate quickly, comprehensively about the new event, the new format, the implications for him. And therefore, communication really became a new weight, a new priority. Of course, always with the goal to keep the delegate on board for the new format.